If you need to connect to your website with an FTP client like FileZilla, the first thing you need is your FTP details. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create your FTP details on Bluehost, step by step, so you can get connected quickly and safely. This is especially useful if you want to upload files, manage your site more directly, or give access to a developer without sharing your main login. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click Websites. This is where Bluehost keeps the sites connected to your account, so this is the right place to begin. Next, find the website you want to connect to FTP and click Manage Site. If you have more than one website, just make sure you choose the correct one, because the FTP details you create will be tied to that specific site. After that, look at the top menu and click Files and Access. This section is where Bluehost organizes file-related settings, including FTP management. Once that page opens, scroll or look for the FTP section, then click Manage. Now you'll see the FTP management area. This is where you can create and control FTP accounts. To make a new one, click Create FTP Account in the top right corner. A form will appear where you can enter all the details for the new account. In the username field, type a name for the FTP account. Try to make it something easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create more than one account. Bluehost will usually combine this username with your domain automatically, so keep that in mind when you're naming it. Next, select your domain from the drop-down menu. This tells Bluehost which website the FTP account should belong to. If you manage multiple domains, double-check this step carefully so you don't create the account under the wrong site. Now enter a password for the account. You can either type one manually or use the password generator if Bluehost provides it. For security, a strong password is always the best choice, especially if you're giving access to someone else or using the account for ongoing site management. Then, move to the directory field. This is where you choose which part of your website the FTP account can access. If you want access to the main website files, you can use public_HTML. That folder is commonly used for the core website files, so it's the most common choice for general FTP access. If Bluehost gives you a quota option, you can set a limit for how much storage this FTP account can use. Or leave it unlimited if that makes more sense for your setup. For many users, leaving it unlimited is fine, but if you want more control, a quota can help. Once everything looks correct, click Create. Bluehost will now generate the FTP account for you. After that, your new FTP account will appear in the FTP management section, which means it has been successfully created. Now, here's the part many people miss. If you want to connect this account to an FTP client like FileZilla, you need the actual connection details. To view them, click the three dots next to the FTP account and select View. Bluehost will then show you the important information you need. You should now see the host, username, password, and port. These are the details you'll enter into your FTP client. Bluehost uses port 21 for standard FTP, so that's the default port you'll usually use unless your setup requires something different. And that's it. You've now learned how to create your FTP details on Bluehost and where to find everything you need to connect to your site. If this video helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.